Good evening. This is Girija Nagaswamy, your instructor for Educational Leadership course, which technically begins on Monday, but I hope you all got the announcement that I made it available from today. Should have been available by after 9 p.m., if I remember, or 5 p.m. I forgot what time I made it available. In any case, you should be able to access at least the first three modules and get to know like what work is coming your way. This is a short 5-week intensive course. So I thought I'll just spend a few minutes going over what you have to do for the first week. I have kept it kind of, on a low or end of the side. You would have to read chapter 1 and 4 from your textbook, The American Community College. The first chapter just gives you an overview of how community college, the concept started and how it has grown and so on. And chapter 4 specifically talks about the governance structure because it's important to understand because it's a slightly different from four-year universities, which you might be more familiar with. So you have two articles to read here, as I'm showing you here, Shared Governance in the Community College, and also on second chances and stratification. So excellent article that also gives you people's perspectives on community college, like what they think about community colleges when they hear the word community colleges. So read both, and then the first discussion is through Flipgrid, which is just to introduce yourself and just, few things, interesting things about yourself. And the other discussion assignment is more specific to the course, is the role of community colleges has evolved and changed over the years. How do you think the concept of shared governance and the mission and scope of the community college intersect? And based on the second article, like, do you agree that, it provides access to education to everyone, but then it also kind of promotes inequalities and therefore does it really fulfill the mission by which it was conceived in the first place, the concept of community college? So those are the two things you would have to post, and both by like Wednesday, your own kind of post, and then by Saturday, try to respond to peers, to classmates. So the first week is fairly light, I should say, but you can look ahead and get started with your first assignment that is due in week 2. I'm also holding an open kind of Zoom office hours on Tuesday from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. It's not mandatory, but I strongly encourage you to attend because I'll go through in detail about the course content, expectations, and so on. And it's also a chance to really kind of see each other virtually since this is all online course. So anyway, I hope to see quite a number of you on Tuesday, and I hope this was helpful.